That's unfortunate.
We're all used to getting pet.
It's your baby.
Like an angry
Yeah, I'm worried about you.
Good stuff, man. Goat. Those are probably goats.
And that's a
No,
goat.
that's
Oh, you mean that one right there. Sorry. It's confused there.
sheep.
Yeah, you're right. That's a sheep. Take it
I
back.
was getting worried about you, Nick.
About
You
what?
didn't know your farm animal.
No. Yeah. Bah. Goat. Hello.
Peter, come here. You want to feed? Okay, put it in your hand. Okay, but you gotta get down.
Get down and feed the
No,
goat.
you
Oh.
gotta do this, Pete. Watch.
Look at the chickens. My goodness, that's like the same water thing that I have. The same water that I give to my chickens.
Penelope.
That's a llama or something like that? Like that?
I think those things are mean.
What, those animals?
Penelope.
Oh, watch out.
Guess what? The chickens just went on top of
Hey,
it.
no.
The chickens.
Do not touch people.
What are you saying?
That was cool. Did
I
you
like
see
goats.
that?
Oh, you love goats?
Bad. Good though. It's like a.
3 little pigs. Or I should say 3 big pigs now. Not even little anymore.